how to contact Facebook support team for payout issues. So first, you just have to go to your Facebook business account, and then here, what you're going to do next is to scroll down till you see this help option right here with this question mark symbol. Tap this one and tap again this question mark symbol for help. Now a panel should appear on the right side. Now what you're going to do here is to scroll down and click this contact support button right here. Tap this. Now, what issues are you having? So if you can't see any payout issues as one of the options here, you can simply go to the support right here and tap other issues. Click your shop or Facebook account or business account again, and then select an issue. Now here, if you scroll down and probably cannot see payout issues. So what you're going to do here is to just simply select from any of these issues right here. For example, I'm going to select this one, and then you can now proceed to again contact support because you need more help. Okay, that means your question wasn't answered. Okay, so click this contact support right here, and then this too should be available in your country. You should contact them by or through chat or call, but we have only one option here, and that is to contact them through email. Okay, so what issue are you facing? You can just simply tap product issue. Now you can enter links to Facebook page or profile right here. Describe the issue that you're experiencing. Link to affected post. Just paste the URL here. Okay, which platform you're encountering, desktop, what is your device model. Okay, you can also add a photo or video as a proof that you're experiencing this issue. Once done, tap send email, and all you have to do is to go to your email from time to time and check if they have responded to this issue. And I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.